a lot, no, in as a corporate services director. And in terms of being the driver of change. So minsan hindi mo kailangan i-complicate, no? So I do understand that Six Sigma sometimes is very complicated framework, 'di ba? But you as a graduate of Six Sigma can also make things more easier to the recipient or to the stakeholder partners, no? And another key learnings that I realize, even if the principles are so hard to understand sometimes, you just need to translate that into layman's term and making sure that the uh, partnership is there and the shared responsibility and accountability is there. Kasi kung ikaw lang magdadrive niyan, it will fail.